Thing details: name, VBENLEM portable refrigerator 21 quart, 20 liter, 12 volt refrigerator. App control, -4 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Fahrenheit, car refrigerator. Electric compressor cooler with 12/24 VDC and 110-240 VAC for camping, travel, fishing, outdoor or home use. Things: features, 121 QT storage space. This portable refrigerator with 20L/21 quart capacity is large enough to fit 30 cans of 330 ml/11.1 flaws cola, 15 bottles of 550 ml/18.6 flaws drinks, and 9 bottles of 750 ml/25.3 flaws red wines. Our refrigerator has CE